cause for celebration as Azania, known as South Africa, is freed of 49 racist Afrikaner settlers who have decided to depart this land and go to their father, the land of the land of racism, the land of anti-black, which is the United States of America. Greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform, the agenda. Please remember to subscribe, guys. Please remember important. Remember subscribe, guys. Also remember to join to become a member to the platform. To become a member, you'll be paying around 20 rand, 12 rand per month to assist in terms of making sure that we finance the platform for research purposes and all of that. So please remember to subscribe. To subscribe, it's for free, guys. To join, then it starts with 20 rand per month. Please, let's do that. All right, guys. Let's get to it. As I've already said that today we